Hello my dear students. Today in accounts I will teach you the concept of discount allowed and discount received. Now what is discount allowed and what is discount received? Discount allowed is an expense for business. Why? Because when we are allowing discount to some other parties, so it is kind of expense for us. Okay, so discount allowed is always debit. Okay, and discount received. Now what is discount received? Suppose if we have to pay someone, okay, if a business has to pay someone, so what happens, the other party gives a business a discount, okay, so that is discount received, means received is income for us, okay, so it will be always credit. So discount allowed is always debit and discount received is always credit. So this is the concept of discount allowed and discount received. So today we will be doing some transaction related to discount and some important transaction I have chosen, and I will explain you this transaction, how to pass journal entry for these transactions. So the first question is, paid cash to Ayan rupees 2050 and discount allowed by him is rupees 50. Now we are paying cash to Ayan. So what I will do, Ayan has provided us discount of rupees 50. So for business, rupees 50 will be discount received, because discount allowed by him, Ayan is giving us discount. So rupees 50 is discount received. So discount received is credit, as we know, and paying cash means we are paying cash. So cash is going out, so cash will be credit. So discount received will be credit and paying cash, that cash will be credit, and Ayan will be debit. So Ayan account debit to discount received account to cash account. So discount received is how much? Rupees 50. So just we'll put on 50, okay, and to cash how much we are paying? 2050, okay, so 2050. So 2050 plus 50 will be 2100. So this way this entry is passed. So narration you can write by yourself. So narration I will not tell you. Narration you can write by yourself. Otherwise this video will be too lengthy. Okay. Number 2. Received check from Subhankar. Okay, we are receiving check from Subhankar, to whom goods were sold. Means to Subhankar goods were sold for rupees 3000 and check was received from Subhankar. Now allowed him 2% discount. So we are receiving from Subhankar, means Subhankar is outside party. So we are allowing him discount of 2%. So this will be your discount allowed. So discount allowed, as I have mentioned, the discount allowed is always debit. So discount allowed will be debit, and receiving a check means check is received, bank is increased, so bank will be debit. Okay, then what will be the entry? Just pay attention in the entry. So we are receiving check, so bank account will be debited to, okay, sorry, discount allowed. So discount allowed will also be debited. Discount allowed account debit to Subhankar. Okay, now discount allowed is how much? 2%. So 2% of 3000, how much? Rupees 60. So 60 will be discount allowed. And how much check we are receiving? We receive a check from Subhankar, means we have to calculate how much the amount Subhankar is paying. So 3000 minus 60 will be 2940. So we got 2940 from Subhankar as from check. So Subhankar will be credited with 3000. So in bank we have to write 2940. Why? Because we received the amount after deduction of, after giving discount allowed. So 2940 will be in bank account and 60 will be discount allowed, and to Subhankar account it will be 3000. Clear? Now number 3. Sold goods to Payal for rupees 10,000. So sold goods to Payal means cash is not written here, means it is not sold in cash. So what will be the entry? Payal to sales. Payal account debit to sales. Number 3. Payal account debit to sales. Sales account. So what is the amount? 10,000. So 10,000. Clear? Now number 4. Dues from Payal not recoverable. Now these dues are not recoverable. Means what do you mean by not recoverable? It means bad debt. Means that money you will never get back. So that will be your bad debt. So bad debt is a loss for a firm, loss for business. So bad debt is always debit. So number 4 entry will be bad debt is always debit. So bad debt, DEBT, bad debt account debited to pile account. So what is the amount? 10,000 is irrecoverable. So 10,000. Remember students, not recoverable means bad debt, means that money will never received in future. So bad debt account debit to pile account. Bad debt is a expense for business. Number 5, sold goods to Anusha 40,000. So same entry like number 3. So number 5, Anusha account debit to sales. What is the amount? 40,000. So this will be the entry. So number 6th entry, what is given? Anusha paid check in settlement of dues. Now we sold goods to Anusha for 40,000, but Anusha paid by check not 40,000, but how much she paid? 39,000 in settlement. So we did settlement with Anusha that okay, you paid 39,000. So what will be the difference amount? That is the 1,000. What is the difference amount? So that will be discount allowed, because Anusha will pay to us. So 1,000, that difference is discount allowed. So the entry will be number 6. So Anusha, okay. So entry will be, so check is received. So check received means bank. So bank account debit to, okay, so we are giving discount, okay, so it will be discount allowed. So discount allowed account debit to Anusha account. So how much discount we are allowing? 1,000. That is a difference amount. So it will be in debit side. So because debit, okay. Now how much Anusha is paying? 39,000 only. So what total will come to credit, that is 40,000. Just you add it and put it on credit side. So 40,000. And the last entry, number 7. So number 7 will be goods given as charity. Now goods given as charity means charity account will be debit, or we say donation account, okay. Charity or donation account debit to goods, so purchase account. So charity account debit to purchase account. So charity account debit to purchase account. So what is the amount? 25. So these were some of the important journal entries related to discount allowed and discount received. And at the last we studied new entry, that is goods given as charity also. So this way we finish this journal entry chapter. So we will start ledger from the next class. Thank you students.